So this will be a little different from my normal teardowns. Don't normally tear down a regular computer mouse like this, but this one's special. Apparently the brand is Tek Refurbs, and the model is M262. And I gotta say, this is probably one of the crappiest feeling mice I've ever held in my hand. It's actually nice from an ergonomic standpoint, but it's just super cheap. And I happen to have the eBay scale. God, ugh, that thing's extra cheap too. Off to the side because I'm gonna weigh this. I have a running theory that the cord weighs more than the mouse. Alright, well, these feet are fake. And see if there's a screw somewhere. No screw under there. There we go. I think. Yep. I'm giving this mouse way too much credit, expecting the feet to be real and have screws under them. Got a little plastic lens here for the mouse sensor assembly. Actually looks pretty nice. Top housing. I mean, nothing special. There's just no weight to it whatsoever. It's very flimsy. And here's the board. Not much to see. Where's the logic for this even? I'm just looking over this real quick with my own eyes rather than trying to stare at it through the camera. So apparently everything's embedded into the sensor chip, because there's literally nothing on this board. I haven't tore apart a ton of mice, but I've never seen that before. Got the little LED light. I don't know if this is infrared or just a red light. I don't feel like plugging it in to find out. Oh, there's the sensor assembly. Capacitor, presumably for filtering power. And it's even labeled. It's a 1.5 k ohm resistor. Usual rotary encoder with little push button switch, so you have push button action on the rotary encoder. Left and right clicker, and USB cable. So the real question is, assuming this eBay scale is not total junk, I think you have batteries in it still. Yep. I just can't get over the branding on those. Let's see what weighs more, the mouse or the cord. Let's put you on grams, because I think grams will give me a little bit more resolution. Alright, got the mouse housing. 47 grams. Well, I think one of the weights in my mouse, just one of my G502 weights weighs more than 47 grams. And I have to wrap the cord up so it stays on the scale here. So 47 grams for the mouse. I'm probably going to be wrong. I'm guessing this cable probably doesn't weigh anywhere near as much as the mouse. I'm going to guess 25 grams. Ooh, that's close. The cable doesn't weigh as much as the mouse, but my goodness. I gotta say, that's really light. 70 grams total. I'm pretty sure I have more weight in my G502 than that. But, yeah, I was just curious to see how they made this so cheap, and, it's, yeah. That has gotta be one of the most sparsely populated boards I've seen. I'm surprised they even bothered to make the board as big as they did. They could have maybe cut this corner off or something to save money. But hopefully that's interesting, and thanks for watching.